feel me, help me sing it out.
It's OREYO. DJ Ori.
I believed everything we had was last. Young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kiss. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for you. Seems I'm smarter than that. Young and naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat. Will lose my pen. Took me some time, but now I'm moved on. Cause I realize I got me, myself, and I. That's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Me, myself, and I. That's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling, you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids. Realize I got myself and I. That's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Me, myself, and I. That's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. I be myself and I know that I will never disappoint myself. 1,000 times. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sick with you. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. To make after all the rain, you see the sun come out again. But I learned a lot along the way. To make it after all the rain, you see the sun come out again. Yeah. Got me, myself, and I. My eyes have cried 1,000 times. I can regret trusting with you.
Hey guys, it's Kayla. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I am at the table now getting ready to do my makeup. In today's video, this is going to be a vlog, and in this vlog I'm kind of just going to be recentering myself, getting disciplined, doing some self-care. Believe it or not, I am not in one of my like breakdown moments. I think I'm just almost kind of numb to everything. Like I'm just like I'm like happy, but I'm like, this isn't where I should be. Like I shouldn't be in a content place, if that makes sense. Like, so yeah, in this video we're gonna be doing some cleaning and organizing. We're gonna do some behind the scenes of filming content. We're gonna try to go to the gym because I need to get more consistent with going to the gym. So I'm gonna try to go for 20 to 30 minutes walking for 4 days this week. I need to drink more water, and just be a little bit a lot bit healthier, but be healthier with my eating habits. The past, month has been nonstop celebration, so a lot more cheat days than healthy days. So I just need to get back into a routine and being healthy. So yeah, that is what this vlog is gonna be. So if you like my face, if you like my content, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. The waiting season episode 2 will be out soon, so make sure you subscribe and comment some different topics you want me to talk about, or any update questions you may have in the comments, and I'll plug that video right here. I'm just gonna speed through this makeup, and yeah.
That from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Me, myself, and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. I be myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself.
I just had to show y'all my eye look. I'm practicing for later, because I just want to switch up my eye looks. Like, I know natural is in, but like I want to do something different, and I think I found my new summer makeup look. If y'all want a tutorial on it, definitely let me know. But it's like sultry eye, basically. It looks, oh my gosh, it looks so good. Yes, this is gonna be my eye look for the summer. Okay, anyway. Alright y'all, here is the finished look. Is it not so cute? Like, it's so simple, but it's so cute. I love it. So right now I'm gonna clean up, and then we're gonna get started on filming the TikToks. Okay y'all, so for the TikToks, I'm gonna be styling this white skirt. I know this isn't like the popular skirts. I do have the long white skirt, but I am saving that a little bit for the summer so I could take pictures with it, you know, so it can be like a, you know. But I'm gonna be pairing this and my outfits together and be filming my TikToks, and then I'll check in with y'all later when it's time probably for me to eat. Y'all, I don't know if y'all can see me from back here, but I'm gonna go ahead and get undressed and unpacked and things. I have on biker shorts, so before you think I'm about to let loose, they're biker shorts. Most days takes me about 15 minutes as far as like the actual filming process. Doing my makeup and my hair some days looks like hours, but yeah, it's really not a long process at all. It's the setup and the behind the scenes that's a lot. And then, like I said, you do all that to get ready, get cute, put your makeup on, do your hair, record for only 15 minutes, and the video is only 8 seconds, and then it only gets 200 views. Like, influencer teens. Just gonna finish putting up stuff, and I'll check in with y'all. I think I'm just gonna have chicken for lunch, and then we'll finish the morning shift. But yeah, I just realized that outfit that I was supposed to record for batch content, I didn't record. But as you can see, I've taken everything down. So this is gonna be a next week or next time. Bye. Love you. Let's get into this closing shift. First of all, clear the air up.
It's OREYO. DJ Ori.
I believed everything we had would last. So young and naive of me to think she was from your no need to cry. Took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend.
Alright, y'all, so here is lunch. Not aesthetically pleasing, but like I said, I need to drink more water. So here is my water bottle, and then I just made a salad. I just have lettuce, bacon, and cheese, and like the lettuce comes with very carrots. I think it's one slice of carrot on this plate, but yeah, I'm gonna eat this, and then I'll catch you with y'all later. Y'all can't really see, but here is my outfit. I have my set from Yeti and then this top from Pumi. And not gonna lie, these Pumi tops, y'all can't see, but they free. So yeah. And then these New Balances. And I'm just gonna take my water cup because I want to be extra, and I still have my makeup, don't have my hair done, but yeah, let's get this workout. Hey y'all, it's Kayla. I'm back. I don't know why it's so dark, but I just made it back from the gym. So I'm gonna take my makeup off now. It was really good. It happens every time. Like I say, oh Kayla, just do 20 minutes a day. You can do 20 minutes, and then I do like 45 minutes to an hour in the gym. So I did about, I would say 45 minutes or 50-ish minutes, because I got there at 3. I stretched a little bit for like 5 minutes and then did my workouts. It was a really good workout, and like I'm sweating more than you would think, but I also think like I just have my thick clothes right now. But yeah, I don't necessarily feel, you know how people say after you work out, like you feel better. But obviously this is my first time working out for real in like 2 weeks. So obviously my body needs it a little bit more consistently to show better results. I do feel good. I love like just sweating and knowing that you did something. Like I get more mental gratification in that than I do like the physical aspect of like physically feeling better. It's more so mental for me. But yeah, I'm gonna do my skincare routine. My skincare routine is one of my like self-soothing self-care things. So yeah. I think water just fell out of the sky. Like it's so hot that the house is sweating. Anywho. Here's me without makeup and my natural hair in my full natural form. Am I still a 10 out of 10? Am I still a 10? I think I'm still a 10. It's just definitely something to get used to. Like, gotta get used to things being up and not down. But yeah, let me get out these sweaty clothes and I'll see y'all later.
Girl, I get the money if you make you mine, oh. If you loving every night, you make you mad, oh. Now only you give me love and make me nice, oh, nice, oh, nice, oh. I feel make you mine, oh. Girl, I love you, plus I never make you mine, oh. If I let you smoke it, you gon' lose my lighter. If you paranoid, then I'ma spend the night. Thinking I love you every day. Diamond dancing, you my money, I go pay. For your love, I go pay. It ain't making money, chase. I feel this for you every day. When you call, run it back on me, play. For your love, I go pay. For your love, I go pay. Psycho, make a trap is psycho. Baby, if you lazy, I go drive me psycho. Baby, every dirty done, they make me mad. Make you sing to the mic. Girl, you are that looking in your eyes. Show you many things you can utilize. If I say I love you, then I tell you like so. Show you everything that I have tonight. True that make you utilize. Yeah, look when we talk, we go read by.
Oh, look at me. But I just had to, we were having some Wi-Fi issues at my apartment, so I just had to pay to get like a 30-day pass, and now I have Wi-Fi so I could chill and relax. But y'all, now I am about to get in the shower because I'm like, while I'm sitting here, I can go ahead and shower so I don't have to do it after I eat. So I'm finna shower, put on my cute clothes, give me a little wine glass that ain't got no wine in it, and just have one of my little self-care nights, light a candle, put the lamp on, the ambiance, and just vibe and chill. So yeah, I'll see y'all later. Okay, y'all, so for dinner I made chicken wraps, and I just put barbecue sauce, lettuce, and bacon on top. And then my sweet for the night is gonna be some cran pineapple juice and Sprite mixed together in a little champagne flute. And honestly, y'all, oh, here's my little set for the night. But honestly, y'all, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here because it's already kind of long and I have nothing else to do. Like I said, this video was just me getting back into a routine, getting more discipline, doing some self-care, kind of spending more time with me and nurturing me. But yeah, I love you guys and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave a comment down below and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.